Hi, if you no longer need your Chess mobile bank app, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall this mobile banking app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So for this tutorial, I'm on an Android smartphone, and to uninstall the app, just open all your apps, go through them and find Chess. As you can see, we have our Chess mobile app here. To uninstall it, just long press on it and you should see we have this option to uninstall. However, if you are missing this option, then you can also just uninstall the app by going to Google Play Store here and search for your app. Once you open it, you should see we have an option to uninstall. By tapping on uninstall and then confirming your choice, this will remove the Chess mobile bank app from your smartphone together with its files. Now if I go back to my apps, you can see we no longer have Chess mobile bank app. So that's how you can uninstall Chess mobile bank app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.